Alright guys, so this is pretty cool. You have the on and off switch here. Nothing to trim this because they are proportional steering. They click, I don't know why. Don't click. There is some kind of suspension system back here, but it's not. Oh, it's just a bunch of metal parts. Interesting. Okay. Not actual shocks, but that's going to be fine, just fine. I do like this thing. And there's an extra feature here, which is you can open these up and maybe you can put Arnold Schwarzenegger, or Sylvester Stallone, or Clint Eastwood, Tom Cruise, maybe. I don't know. Somebody cool. Just put them in there. 3D print them out and put them in there. Wow, this is really cool. So I'll have this all set up and ready to go. I still don't know how to get to the battery, but eventually we'll learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.